Wow, what a beauty directing of the last owner. It is absolutely gorgeous. It's a previous customer who I've dealt with many years ago. So what do we have here? It's a BMW 435 diesel X-Drive M Sport Coupe. What a fabulous combination. Mineral grey metallic with full coral red leather upholstery. Around £4,500 worth of factory fitted options. Just one private owner, full BMW service history, absolutely stunning all the way around. It looks gorgeous. All the options are listed on the website, including the M Sport Plus package, which gives you the 21-inch M double spoke alloy wheels, the blue calipers. The car's got a sports seat, sun protection glass, Harmon Kardon stereo, M Sport steering wheel. The list is just endless. Let's take you all the way around it, show you exactly how beautiful this car is. So there we have it. Smooth 6-cylinder engine, 310 brake horsepower, 8-speed automatic, and of course X-Drive means 4-wheel drive. Give you that positive handling. Great size boot on the car. Beautifully clean, not been abused. Split folding rear seats. It is a huge boot actually. Additional storage just under there. Look at that. Massive storage space. All the loading area undamaged, nice and clean. Beautiful engine, just purrs along. As I mentioned, X-Drive 4-wheel drive. 2016 on a 66 plate. Incredible all-round condition. Great tyres all the way around. All the wheels are absolutely perfect. All just freshly, professionally sandblasted, powder coated, and of course diamond cut. All down the bodywork is absolutely stunning. No dents, no scratches, no little dings anywhere. Rear privacy glass. And again, just a close-up of the front. So we go, beautiful blue calipers from the factory. As I mentioned, all the wheels, as you can see, professionally diamond cut all across the front, lovely and beautiful. Of course, there's the odd tiny stone chip, the odd mark, but a nice, genuine, beautiful example. Hence, we do the full video close-ups, so nothing is left to chance. Nothing is hidden from you, so you can make an informed decision from the comfort of your armchair. Matching Bridgestone tyres all the way around. Just look at those wheels, absolutely stunning. And again, the final wheel. As I mentioned, Bridgestone matching tyres all the way around. So you can see the wheels have been professionally done, not just sprayed over. So the inside and outsides all perfect. And just look at that absolutely stunning combination. Absolutely love it. It is gorgeous. Just look at that. Almost like brand new in the back. The one owner had really looked after this vehicle, totally cherished. All the upholstery is in great condition. Non-smoker's car. And look at that, great condition, no undue wear. Of course, the sport seats. Get the support just right on your legs. Electric seats, memory seats. All the trims, great condition. No damage to those. Harmon Kardon upgraded stereo system. Gloss black trim. 75,282 is the mileage. With full BMW service history. Again, all the printout dates are on the advert itself. Great sound system. Paddle shift gear change. Leather multifunction sport steering wheel. Various controls on the steering wheel. Bluetooth phone connection. Stereo controls. Change the stations. All nice clearly in front of you on the screen. Cruise control speed limiter. Heated front seats, which again was an option on the vehicle. Dual zone climate control. Stereo CD. All the media, sat nav, all controlled by that little wheel there. Nice big clear satellite navigation. The full menu across there. Of course, DAB radio. This really is a fabulous car to drive. As I mentioned, 310 brake horsepower, 4-wheel drive, 8-speed automatic. The full menu there with the full service history. Last one done in January 2023. You can scroll through from day one. Green boxes everywhere, so all nice and clean. Clean bill of health. This car is ready to drive away today if you want it. Remember, great finance available direct from ourselves. Check out our online finance calculator to work out your HP, your PCP deal, applied direct off our website. Got the automatic drop down mirrors, put it in reverse, the mirrors drop down. Various drive modes to get the car just absolutely perfect. Eco, Comfort, Sport, Sport Plus. Great fun car to drive. Nifty little cup holders. Centre armrest. Aux USB input. Just attention to detail, just look at that trim. It is absolutely beautiful. Of course, we have 2 sets of keys, complete book pack, full HPI checked and clear, part exchange always a pleasure, and we did the full videos to show you we have nothing to hide, full transparency. Many customers reserve the cars online from our direct 24/7 website, so you can click and collect from our showrooms in Stoke-on-Trent. Alternatively, we can arrange home delivery. Please ask us for further details. Read about our raving fans reviews, and you see why customers come back to us time and time again over generations. We make buying and selling cars a simple, hassle-free process. None of our cars are bought from the auctions, they're all bought privately, just like this one, direct from the last owner. We're always keen to buy cars like these, so if you know of anybody who's selling a nice low mileage car, we're happy to buy it off them direct. So there it is, our stunning 435 diesel M Sport Coupe in this stunning combination of mineral grey with red leather. Just one private owner from you, and we're happy to send you a more personalised video of any aspects we may have missed on this main video. So always please feel free to give us a call. The phone number is 01782 822 700. Specialist Cars, a multi-award winning dealer based in Stoke-on-Trent, Staffordshire. The phone number again, 01782 822 700. So why should you buy your car off me? Very simple, we've been established since 1997, and our full way of transparency is to show to you how nice all our cars are. So rather than just comparing prices, we urge you to compare the specification, the condition and who you're dealing with. Read about our raving fans review and you'll understand why customers come back to us time and time again over generations. We have full on-site facilities for servicing, repairs, MOTs. Every single car goes through our workshop before you buy it. All are full HPI checked to ensure there's no outstanding finance, there's no damage, not been stolen. That gives you the confidence to know that that car is absolutely perfect. Why not follow us on Facebook? You'll get full updates of every single car, of exactly what's going on in the premises here. You can buy any of our vehicles 24/7 off our website. Click and reserve, come and collect. Alternatively, we can arrange home delivery. Buy it from the comfort of your armchair. Simple as that. With the full video, you know exactly what you're going to get. No nasty surprises. Check out our YouTube channel. Follow us on there and you will get update of every single car as soon as it arrives in. Here to help you, give us a call 01782 822 700.